Hey there, math fans, and you may notice that you have a very special sword today. That is because you have done it. You've gotten to test 17, which is the last math test in our entire grade 6 curriculum. So let's get going. Today we're going to look at how to divide money equally and how to add percentages. And we'll start by dividing money equally. Logan and Chuck are doing some jobs this week. They will earn $4.38 on Monday, $6.73 on Tuesday, and $78.33 on Saturday. If they divide the money evenly between them, how much will they each earn? So there's two steps to this problem. The first thing I need to do is figure out how much they're going to earn altogether. So I'll start by adding up $4.38 plus $6.73. So that will give me, wow, $11.11. And then I'm going to add in the $78.33, and that will give me $89.44 to split between the two of them. So all I have to do is plug into my calculator now. There's two people, so I'm going to do $89.44 divided by 2, and that is going to give me $44.72, if I can ever write it. So then my sentence will be, they will each earn $44.72. So here's another problem. Jean, Scott, and Hank are doing some extra jobs too. They will earn $98.43 on Monday, $54.67 on Tuesday, and $88.88 on Thursday. If they split the money equally, how much will they each get? Pause the video here and try to figure out the answer, and when you come back, I will help you out. So the first thing I'm going to do is add up all of their money, and I'll find out that they earned $241.98. And now I'm going to divide that into 3 so that they all get an equal amount of money. And I did that on my calculator, and I got $80.66. So they would each get $80.66. If it didn't divide evenly, if for example I got 80.667, then I would just round. And I would probably round down because I can't round up because then they would have too much money. So there's my answer. So splitting up money evenly just means adding it all up and then dividing it. The second thing we want to do today is add some percentages. So here we have Hank and Natasha selling things for their friends, and their deal is that they will get commission for the sales, and I'll explain what that means in a minute. They will get 10% off the first $100 they sell and 5% of anything they sell after. If they sell $820 worth of merchandise, how much will they earn for themselves? So what commission means is exactly what's described here. Commission is when somebody does something for someone, for example, sells something for somebody, and they get part of the money. So in this case, their friends gave them some stuff to sell, and if they sell $100, they get to keep 10% of that, and they give the rest to their friends. And then anything more than $100 they sell, they get to keep 5%, and the rest goes to their friends. So we'll start with, they sold $820. Now I know that for the first $100, they're going to get to keep 10%. And this is really easy to do in my head, and I'll show you why. 10% of $100, so that's going to be 10% out of 100. And I want to know how much that equals out of $100. Well, look right here. The bottom is the same. So 10 out of 100 is going to equal 10 out of 100. So what's 10% of $100? It's going to be $10. So they're going to get $10 on that first 100 they sell. Now, they actually sold 820, so I'm going to take out that first 100 that they got 10% on, and they're going to get 5% of the rest, which is $720. So they earned 10% of their first $100, which we've got over here, and then we'll take that 100 out because they already made their commission on it. They're going to make 5% off of what's left, which is $720. So now I'm just going to switch colors so you can see what I'm doing. I need to find out what 5%, which is 5 out of 100, is out of 720. So I'm going to do my cross multiplication. 5 times 720, and I just did that on my calculator. It's 3,600. And that's going to equal 100 times question mark. So, using my fact families, I know that if 3,600 is equal to 100 times question mark, then question mark will be equal to 3,600 divided by 100. So if I go 3,600 divided by 100, I will get 36. So the question mark is 36, so they're actually only getting $36 out of the 720 they sold. Plus they get the 10 they had before. So they will earn $46 for themselves. So it looks a little complicated, but it's not really. It's just understanding that there's two different parts to the question. And here's one for you to try. So Hank and Natasha are selling more things for their friends. They will now get 8% of the first $300 they sell and 3% of anything they sell after. If they sell $820 worth of merchandise again, are they getting a better deal than last time? So you're going to have to remember that last time they made $46. So we'll write that down over here just to remind you. And pause the video here, and when you know if they're getting a better deal this time, come back and I'll go through the answer with you. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch colors, and then I'm going to figure out what 8% of that first $300 would be. So that's going to be 8 out of 100 equals question mark out of 300. Doing my cross multiplication, 8 times 3 is 24, and I keep the 2 zeros. And that equals 100 times question mark. Fact families, so to get the question mark, I go 2,400 divided by 100, and I get 24. So on that first $300, they're going to make $24 for themselves. Let's figure out the rest. They sold 820, so let's take out that $300 that they get 24 for, and they have 500 left. And they only get 3% of the 500. So now I have to figure out what is 3% of 500. So I'm going to do the same thing. 3 out of 100 equals question mark out of 500. 3 times 500, 3 times 5 is 15. And I keep the zeros. Equals 100 times question mark. And fact families, if I do 1,500 divided by 100, I will get $15. So adding those up, 24 plus 15 is $39. Their old deal was better. They made $46 last time. This time they would only make $39. So my answer would be they got a better deal last time. And that's it, just a straightforward lesson today. So here's a review for you to try. Number 1, Peter, Susan, and Lucy made $32.43 yesterday and $89.93 today. They spent $16.45 advertising their business. Then they split the rest evenly, so don't forget you're going to have to take that out. How much do they get each? And number 2, Pepper sold some spare electronics for a friend of hers. If she earns 5% commission on the first $50,000 and 3% commission on anything after, and she sold $200,000 worth of electronics, how much will she keep for herself? Get those 2 questions done, and I will see you in the morning.